everyone, welcome to another video, and today I will be doing a story time. Story time. Are you ready? Grab your popcorn. Yeah, whatever you need, get ready. Okay. So this story. So I just want to say that now I am in 7th grade, and yeah, I'm very excited for being in 7th grade. I'm also very nervous, but I do have a story that I thought was just funny. So it's a mini story, and so since it's a mini story, there's another story as well that I have. So the first story just so happens to be in my STEM class, and after STEM, I have lunch, and after lunch, I have science, and that's our next story. It's in science, so boom, we're going through my schedule. Not really, but yeah. Hey, weird. Anyways, let's get into the video. Hi! Okay. Let's get in. Anyway, so I'm cold. Okay. We are all set and ready to go. Now, so this story was told by my my STEM teacher. His name is Mr. Hoagland, I think. Maybe. I think so. Anyway, so my STEM teacher was I think maybe Friday. We were talking, he was talking to the whole class, and he was saying stuff. He was just talking, and he said the craziest thing I've ever seen a child do was, so there was this kid, and he was laying on the ground, and he told, a teacher Mr. Hoagland, I think, my STEM teacher, walked up to him, and he said, "What happened?" And he said, some kid threw me against the wall. And so they checked the cameras, and it was in the main hallway. So the main, I have 3 stories. Okay, here, wait, 1 second. Let me continue. But in the main hallway of our school, and in the main hallway, there is a brick wall. And that's where he was laying. He was laying by the brick wall, and they checked the cameras, and no one threw him against the wall. He ran and sideways, and so you know the trend thing where you run and sideways face plant into the wall or into lockers or whatever? Yeah, that's what he did. It was funny because he was laying on the ground. It was a lot funnier when he told it. Second story. Boom, second story. Now, the second story that I thought of while I was talking is from the same teacher. And he said, we were talking, and we were asked if anyone has ever broken something of his. He said, no one has actually broken something of mine, but they've broken something. This kid got frustrated with his Chromebook, which is a type of computer, if you guys did not know. And he took the computer and broke it over his knee, then shoved it into his book bag. So our STEM lab, our STEM class is on so there's 2 floors to our school. The STEM class is on the 2nd floor, and if you walk out the classroom door, there's this area, and there's a gate area, like a fence to keep you from falling off the edge, because you can see the bottom main hallway. And so this kid with his book bag and his broken computer took it out of the classroom and into that hallway and threw it over the railing onto the 1st floor. And then he said that it fell off his desk and it broke because he had insurance on it. So, yeah, yes, it did fall, maybe. And my teacher, he said, yeah, it fell off a desk and 15 more. I don't know how tall desks are, and I don't know the distance between that, but it's a lot of desks for it to fall off of, so... 3rd story! Okay, now from our 3rd story. Okay, for our 3rd and final story. This happened past lunch. And we are now sitting in my science class. I am the weirdest person ever. Anyways, so I was sitting in my science class. Okay? Now, I'm sitting in my science class, minding my business, and the teacher said, today we are doing a science experiment project thing. So, we were talking about the scientific method, and we were going into the science project that we were going to be doing. Now, she said to get out a sheet of paper and a pencil, and gave us all a sucker. And she said, we are going to figure out how many licks it takes to get to the middle, get to the center, make the sucker go away. So we all had to guess a number. And we wrote it down, and we had to count every 10 licks. So we were licking, and maybe 10, 15 minutes go by, and she says, come on, faster, faster. And we're doing that, and you can just hear everyone chatting, and when she said, everyone had these dirty thoughts in their heads, and some of the boys were laughing, and some of the girls were laughing about how weird it was that she kept telling us to keep licking it and to lick it faster. Now, if you I'm not going to explain it, but let me let that sit. Anyways, so, yeah, those are my stories. If you want me to do a video, maybe talking a little bit about 7th grade, maybe at the end of the year I can do a tips to new 7th graders and I could do a tips on 6th graders. I would do that. Comment down below if you want me to do that. Actually, no, that I don't care if you want me to do it. I'm going to do it, and yeah, it will be my next video that I'm posting. So let's go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Stay happy, stay sweet, and always be positive, even when there's negative stuff around you. Be different. Don't be afraid to be different. It's okay to be different. Yeah. So, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.